In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Target app to get coupon deals. Target deals are pretty cool because all you really need is your phone. So go grab your coffee or tea and come follow me. Alright everyone, we are inside of the Target app. It is free to download on Android and iPhone, and it's basically the Target logo. You're going to have to create a login or log in yourself under the information that you use at target.com, and then once you do that, your screen will look like this. So the first thing I'm going to show you is Cartwheel offers. So I'm going to click on offers, and there are a bunch of different offers, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to click all. The first thing I wanted to show you is the percent off offers. So what this offer is, this particular offer is 20% off of Fiber One strawberry clusters. And what this means is once you click save offer, you can buy 4 boxes of Fiber One strawberry clusters and save 20% off of each box. So the math behind that would be whatever the price of the Fiber One cereal is, you just subtract 20% off of that box, and that is how much you're going to pay per box if you wanted to do 4. You don't necessarily have to do 4, but 4 is the max you can do per transaction and get that 20% off. The next thing, it's in the cartwheel and it's considered a cartwheel, but it's actually a coupon. So we're gonna go down, and this is a $1 off manufacturer single-use coupon. This one's a little different than the offer because you can only use it one time. It is a single-use coupon. It is also a manufacturer coupon, so you cannot stack it with another manufacturer coupon. If we go back to the percent off coupon or offer, this does not say anywhere on it that it's a manufacturer coupon, which it's not, so it won't. You can use a manufacturer coupon and still save this 20% off of each box. That's the really cool thing about that. So what I would do is click save offer and then head to the bottom where all your categories are at the bottom, click wallet, and all you do is give that barcode to the cashier and they scan it just like a coupon. And if you have the right items, the offers will come off automatically. Hey everyone, we are back in the Target app, and there are a couple of things I want to show you. First things first, when you get a free minute after you watch both videos, play with this app because you can't break it, but you're gonna want to practice with it. I swear on everything I love, I've tried recording this video like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, and nothing has worked out right because just when I think that I know something, apparently Target's like, nah sis, no you don't. So I had to re-record it and just play with the app. Things change, the layouts change, just play with the app some, but I have taught you the gist of it, and that is your cartwheel offers, your money off offers, and where to find the barcode, which is in wallet. That's review from the last video. What I wanted to show you in this one is actually how to spot deals. So what we're going to do is click cartwheel offers. We're going to go to all. And I'm not going to do apparel, the first one. We're going to go to the second one down, which is 20% off of Coca-Cola 2-liter bottles. We're going to click that. And if you scroll down, you will see the price of them. So $1.79 minus 20% off, and that's going to be how much you're going to pay. And it gives you all the options of certain items that qualify. The next thing I'm going to show you is money off, and because I live and learn from my last mistake, the price is not going to show up right away. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So it is $1 off, but if you scroll down, it does not tell you the price. But have no fear, your girl is here. So these are Butterfingers. And what we're going to do is go all the way to the beginning. The easiest way to do this instead of hitting the back button will be to go to the bottom menu, press shop. We are going to hit the little magnifying glass, and lo and behold, because I've searched for it before while trying to make this video, all you would do was put in Butterfinger, but I have it in my options because I've searched for it before. There's your price. And there is the $1 off Cartwheel. So you're going to pay $3.50 minus your $1 off, which would be $2.50. And you can just press the add if you want to use it, and you're done with that. The next thing I wanted to show you at the top is the barcode. The barcode's pretty cool for a couple of different reasons. First thing being, you can actually use it while you're in the store to find deals. If you see something on clearance, you can scan the barcode and it will tell you whether or not there is a Cartwheel link to it. The next thing is if you're at home and you're running out of an item and you want to scan the barcode, you can see how much it is at Target and whether or not there's currently a Cartwheel offer attached to it. So what we're going to do is click the barcode, scan the item, and for this particular item there is no Cartwheel offers, but if you look below, there's a bunch of other options for similar products that do have Cartwheel offers. I'm going to scan one more item to show you what an offer would look like when it pops up for the sake of this video. So we're going to press the barcode again. We're going to scan the barcode on our item. And these are Stay Free Overnights, and it's telling you that there is a $1 off Cartwheel option. And we just saved that option. Just let me know what you guys need help with. That is what I am here for. Just let me know. All right, y'all. Until next time.